Hello, everyone, and welcome to Mathics. Today we have an amazing equation to solve with a teacher who got his nose broken recently in an accident. Okay, now let's begin working on the equation. I could write the left-hand side as m squared equals m plus 1, right? And the right-hand side, I will do prime factorization, writing it as 2 to power of 6 multiplied by a 9. Okay. Comparing the two sides, I could write this 2 power of 6 as 2 to power of 3 to the second power, right? Making it 8 to power of 2. Okay, so if I do it like this, the left side will be the same, but the right side will change into 8 to power of 2 multiplied by 9. I'm going to write 9 as 8 plus 1. So by comparison, we would see that m equals 8. Okay. That's one of the solutions, right? We're not sure if there are any more solutions. Okay. To discuss that, is it possible for m to be a negative value? See, for example, if m is -3, this would be a negative value, -27. M being -3 would make this positive value, +9. But as you see, always this one would be larger, okay? So the sum of these two will be always a negative, so it would never be 576. Okay, this is true when m is less than -1. So it's safe to say that the only real solution to the equation is m equals 8, okay? But there are more solutions, complex solutions. We want to find this. Okay, to continue this, I'm going to take this to the left-hand side. The equation will be, we know that m is one of the solutions. For that reason, we could write the same equation as, okay, m minus 8, okay, multiplied by a quadratic equation. So to find this term, we know that this term m cubed is made by multiplying this m by this m cubed, okay? And to get this -576 is made of this -8 multiplied by +72, okay? And now we're going to create this m squared, okay? This 8 multiplied by this m squared will create -m squared. So to get this, we need 9m squared. To find this, I'll write +9m over here. This positive m and this one will create non-m squared. Okay. Now it's very easy what we have. So this equals 0. Now we know that to solve the equation, either this one is 0, which will give us m equals 8. We already have it. Or this one is 0. This will give complex solutions. We're going to follow this formula over here. I'm going to write it here. Okay. Now we know that b is going to be -9. Okay. B is squared. B is 981. Minus 4 times c is 72. 4 times 72 divided by 2. 81 minus 288 will be 207. So I'm going to write it like this. But it's going to be minus 207. This one, remember, I could write this one as -1 multiplied by square root of, -1 multiplied by 207. This -1, we're going to call it I, right? This is I. Okay, for that reason, the solution becomes -9 positive negative of I multiplied by square root of 207, and all of this divided by 2. I'm not going to simplify it anymore. I'm going to accept this as the final answer. Okay, if you see value in the videos like this, please give it a thumbs up.